Next is I'm gonna move in and I'm gonna look at the budgets. Okay, how are the budgets? Are they like $10, $20? Anything to me under $100, I notice that the budget, Amazon will throttle you. So it's gonna say, okay, your dollar, you have like $1 per click or something like that, right? And you have a $10 budget, so you can only show up, you only get 10 clicks. So I'm gonna say, okay, this person can't afford that many clicks, so let's just show them a little bit here, a little bit there. This is kind of what I'm seeing. I obviously don't know how Amazon thinks, but you have a $100 budget and a dollar bid, so they're like, okay, let's show them as many places as we can within that bid. So if someone is bidding higher than you, they're going to show you under it, but you get as many placements as possible. Now, then when you realize, okay, maybe my bid is too low, I need to increase my bid, and so on.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerUp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.